Welcome back to ZenUp. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a simple 5-minute mindfulness routine designed to reduce stress, calm your mind, and help you feel more centered. Let's begin. Step 1. Grounding. Sit comfortably. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now feel the connection between your feet and the ground. Quietly tell your body, I am here, I am safe. Step 2. Breathing. We'll start with the 4-4-4-6 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat this 3 times. This exercise calms your nervous system, lowers your heart rate, and reduces stress almost instantly. Step 3. Body scan. Bring your awareness to your body. Start from the top of your head and slowly move downward. Notice any tension, any discomfort, and any areas that feel relaxed. Whenever you notice tension, gently say, I release this. Step 4. Present moment awareness. Now pay attention to the sounds around you. Maybe it's the hum of a car, someone talking, or complete silence. Just observe without judgment. This practice of awareness is at the heart of mindfulness. Step 5. Positive intention. Now set a simple intention for your day. It could be, today I choose calm. Today I take care of myself. Or, today I stay grateful. Repeat your intention 3 times in your mind. And that's your 5-minute mindfulness routine. Practicing this daily will help you feel calmer, more focused, and more balanced. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to ZenUp. See you in the next one.